Hey everyone, RDA Electronics here. Today we're going to show you how to replace the batteries on a Telecrane F24 transmitter. This is an F24-6D. What you do is you find the battery compartment cover here on the bottom and you want to turn the knob counterclockwise to loosen it. And then once you've got it all the way loosened, go ahead and remove the battery compartment cover and take out the two AA batteries. Grab your two fresh cells and install them as shown here inside the battery compartment. Reinstall the cover and turn the knob clockwise until it's snug. All right. That's how you replace the batteries on a Telecrane F24 series transmitter. These instructions are the same whether you've got 6 buttons here, 8, 10, or even 12. Thank you very much. Have a good one.